Hey learner, this is Nileshhanumantborate. So in this video, we will see the another concept of a function in a Python, that is the nested statement and the scope. Okay. So see here, it's important to understand how Python deals with the variable names you assign. So when you create a variable name in Python, the name is stored in a namespace. So variable names also have a scope. The scope determines the visibility of the variable name to other part of your the code. Okay. So see here one example. So first we'll give the one title. So this is the nested function and scope. Okay. Then this is one variable x equal to 25. Okay. So this is one function def. My function name is that the printer. Okay. So don't give the name print, otherwise it will overwrite the print function which have the built-in in a Python. Okay. So next one is that x equal to 30. Then here return x. So first print the value of x. So my value of x is that the 25, which is defined before the printer function. Okay. So this is your the value. Okay. X equal to 25. But when you call this printer function, then see here your value of x is that the 30. Okay. Because in printer function, so there is a one more variable x which have the value 30. So if you try to return the x value, then this function is return this local value. Okay. So how does Python know which x you are referring to in your code? So this is where the idea of a scope comes in. So Python has a set of rules it follow to decide what variable you are referencing in your code. So let's break down the rules. See here, these are the 4 rules which are called as the LEGB rules. So L stands for local, means names assigned in any way within a function and not declared global in that function. Okay. So they also include the def or lambda. Okay. Then E means the enclosing function locals, names in the local scope of any and all enclosing functions from inner to outer. Then G for the global, names assigned at the top level of a module file or declared global in a def within the file. Then B for the built-in functions, so names pre-assigned in the built-in names module. Okay. So let's see the one by one example. So see here, so this is one function def, then square, parameter is the x, then return x raised to 2. Okay. Here my answer is that square of 4 is that the 16. By using lambda x colon x raised to 2. Sorry, x raised to 2. Okay. Then here square of 4. So see here, this is your the function definition. So in function definition, the parameter value is a local value, and in lambda function, so this x variable is a local variable. Okay. So this is the example of a local variable. In lambda or in your def keyword function, all the inside functions or the parameters are the by default local. Okay. So next one is that the second one is that the enclosing. See here one example. So this is your name ABC. Okay. Then this is one my function greet. Okay. Then again assign the new value to the name variable. Then again there is a one more function hello. So this is the nested function. Okay, and there is one more message, print hello. Okay, see here, call the hello function, and in outside call greet function. Okay, so my output is that the hello. Okay, so when you try to print the hello, then name, then see here, answer is that hello PQR. Okay, so there are the two variables. This is your outer variable which are defined before the greet function, and this is your name equal to PQR variable. Okay, so this variable is defined outside the inner function. There are the two functions available, outer and the inner. Okay, so if this function is defined this hello function, okay, and here you print this variable, then this function is called as the local variable. But if it is defined in outer function, then this variable is called as the enclosing variable. Okay, so remember this thing that. So again, I have a function called greet, and what it does inside of it, it set the variable name equal to PQR. Okay, so this is your variable name. Then inside of greet function, and notice how all of this right here, okay, that I have highlighted is inside axis, because the indentation we have def than the hello function, and inside the hello, okay, print the hello name, and right now we have the name defined twice. So first one is that here name equal to ABC, this is the global, okay, and this is name equal to PQR, which is enclosing function local, and after we define hello inside of a greet, okay, then I am actually going to call and execute this hello statement, and my answer is that hello PQR. Okay, so priority wise, first one is local and second is that the enclosing. So here there is no local variable, then they call the enclosing. If the enclosing is missing, then call global, hello ABC. These are the sequence. Okay, so by doing some changes, see here, name equal to PQR, again here name equal to XYZ. Okay, see here, my answer is that hello XYZ, because first priority is the local variable. Okay, so if local variable is missing, then second priority is enclosing variable. So this is your enclosing variable, and if there is no enclosing variable, then third priority is the global variable. Okay, see here, this is your global variable. Okay, so this is the sequence. So next one is that, see here, the global keyword. So example is that here x equal to 50, this is my function func, parameter is that the x, then this is my print statement, print. So by using f string, we print one message, x is, this is your x variable. Okay, then x equal to 200, again print here x is again x. Okay, so here first x and this is your second x. Okay, then after running this code, okay, when we pass the one value, the value is that, for example, 100. See here, my output is that. See here, this is your global value. Okay, so this is your global. Okay, then the function parameter is a local. Now x equal to 100 is a local. Here print the value of x. Now there are the two x variable, global and the local, but by using LEGB rule, first priority is that the local variable. So here my answer is that first x is a 100. Then again x is assigned to the new value. Now we change the value of x equal to 200. So this is also local. Okay. Then second, x is a x. Now value of x is that the 200. Okay. Here we do the some minor changes. Use the one keyword, global keyword, global x. Okay. Then see here. Again we run this code. My answer is that the 100 and the 200. Okay. But when this is not a global, okay, then after printing this function, my value of x is that 50. Okay. Means after calling this function, my value of x is that the 50. But when we make this variable as a global, see here, global x. So here we remove this parameter. Okay. Then see here. So first value of x is the 50. This is your global value. Then here you change the value of x. Now x is the 200. Okay. Now if you print the value of x, see here my x is that the 200. Means this inside this function variable is converted into global by using this global keyword. Okay. So this is the global keyword example. So student, if you have any queries, then comment on your query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.